Students, now I am going to explain about Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri was the imperial city of the Mughal dynasty between 1571 and 1584. This huge compound encloses magnificent monuments and temples. Along with the largest mosques in India, the Jama Masjid, all in a well-balanced architectural style, a mixture of Hindu and Central Asia architecture. Though the general layout and concept of the buildings conform to the Islamic style of architecture, the actual buildings, mainly palaces, their ornate columns, arcs, carving, etc., show a strong Hindu style in general and that of Gujarat and Rajasthan in particular. The period of the Mughal rule, with their capital at Fatehpur Sikri, is regarded by modern historians as one of the most important periods in the annals of the history of India. It is said that many of the important administrative, financial, as well as the military reforms of the Mughal era was conceptualized and implemented during this period. बच्चों, फतेहपुर सिकरी मुगल काल के समय का एक ऐसा प्लेस है जहाँ पर मुगलों ने अनेक प्रकार की इमारतें बनवाई, बहुत सारे महलों का निर्माण कराया, जो कि उस समय की कला का उत्कृष्ट नमूना है और आज भी दर्शनीय है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिल्ली. After the dazzling period of the Gupta Empire and the reign of the Sultanate of Delhi, India emerged as the largest empire with the rise of the Mughal rule in the country. The founder of this new state in India was Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur, a descendant of the Genghis Khan and Tamerlan. Babur had been thrown out of the Central Asia earlier by the Uzbeks, but he managed to gain control of Afghan territories and then set his eyes on India to conquer. He could become more powerful and richer. बच्चों, गुप्ता एम्पायर के चकाचौंध कर देने वाले शासन के बाद भारत में दूसरा बड़ा एम्पायर आया, जो कि मुगलों का था, जिसकी स्थापना जहीरुद्दीन मोहम्मद बाबर ने की, जो कि चंगेज खान और तैमूरलंग का पूर्वज था. शुरुआत में उसे खदेड़ दिया गया था, परंतु बाद में उसने अपने पावर को फिर से गेन किया और बहुत पावरफुल बन गया. इन 1578 एंड 1524 बाबर अटैक्ड इंडिया एंड इन 1525 he led a well organized army to Delhi. In the Battle of Panipat in 1526 he defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the last ruler of the Delhi Sultanate. बच्चों, बाबर ने भारत पर कई बार आक्रमण किया, परंतु लास्ट टाइम उसने जो युद्ध किया 1526 ईस्वी में पानीपत के मैदान में इब्राहिम लोदी के साथ, उसमें उसे विजय प्राप्त हुई. द नेक्स्ट ईयर ही डिफीटेड द राजपूत्स एंड देन succeeded in capturing most of the Ganges Valley. In the Mughal dynasty, there were 6 notable emperors: Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan and Aurangzeb. Of these, Akbar and Shahjahan were two of the most important emperors in the history of India.